Yo, what is up guys? It is CRPHD back with another video, and today I'm going to be showing you how to get that cool, trendy Stranger Things wallpaper that you guys may have been seeing float around on the internet a lot. But yeah, let's jump right into the video. By the way, you don't need iOS 16 in order to install these wallpapers. They're just regular wallpapers at the end of the day, but iOS 16 does seamlessly transfer between the both of them better in my opinion, but that's just something to note. I did go ahead and attach an article down in the description below that will have the perfect aspect ratio of both wallpapers, so that way you're literally good to go, and you can just follow the rest of the steps for this video just in case you guys are curious. So you guys should be able to see what I'm doing on my phone now, and as you guys can see, the seamless transition between both wallpapers is pretty cool, and that's why this wallpaper option has gotten so popular over the past few months that iOS 16 has gotten released. Now being in the wallpaper settings, you're going to want to hit that customize button for the lock screen. Now you're going to want to hit the little photo icon in the bottom part of the screen. You'll see featured, people, cities, and then all your photos and albums in general that you can select from, but go ahead and find that first wallpaper with the clear sky. Once you've found the photo and selected it, you should see something similar to my screen. You can also go ahead and change whatever fonts that you feel like fits well with the wallpaper. I personally feel like this one did. And then you could also change the color as well. But I know in Stranger Things, they have that really bold red that sticks out. So I went ahead and picked that as well. And then congratulations, you're done setting up the lock screen. Now you're going to go back and you're pretty much going to do the same exact steps, but instead you're going to press customize for the home screen. After you click that customize button, you should see some options down below for gradient, color, original, but the one that you're going to want to press is the photos. And in that section, you're just going to you're going to find the red sky photo, drop it in, and that's pretty much it at that point. Once you've completed those few steps, congratulations, you have made the new trendy looking iOS 16 Stranger Things wallpaper design. And yeah, it was just that simple. I know today's video was a short one, but as always, I really appreciate it if you guys made it to the end of the video. Be sure to let me know down in the comments below who was your favorite Stranger Things character. Mine personally is Maxine. That scene where she was being levitated up by I don't know, the dude with the fucked up face. That scene was so powerful, and it's actually what led me to listening to that song by Kate Bush, Running Up That Hill. Song is gas, but yeah, let me know who your favorite Stranger Things character is down in the comments below. As always, y'all stay safe and be sure and stay tuned because the next video is right around the corner. Peace.